Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today we'll show you how to remove and replace ABS module on Mercedes W208. If you have a problem with one could be you have the ABS brake light and BAS bus light on all the time. It could be sensor, it could be brake light switch, but in some cases it's the ABS module itself. Might not even let you put the car in gear. So we'll show you guys how to remove and replace that now. Not very complicated procedure at all. On those we didn't have to program anything in the past that we've done work on those. All we have to do, what we did actually, was we just matched the part number, and it worked for us great. We didn't have to program it. Still, we'll have the computer max this and see later. We'll run a video to see if it's programmable module, but we never had a problem with it, even on W203. And what we will need to do, we need to go ahead and first disconnect the battery. Don't forget to do that. You need to disconnect the battery at least an hour before you start on the work. Okay guys, so we're using a reverse Torx. Okay, right here, if you don't have one, actually 4mm will do it too. You can take them loose. We have the links for all the tools and parts we use on our website, Mechanic Lifestyle. Check it out, it's in the description under the video. Okay, so we disconnected the battery. Don't forget to do that. Just disconnect both cables for at least 1 hour before you start removing the ABS module. Or if you have a code that relates to pump as well, it could be bad module, it could be bad pump. The pump is on the back, it's testable, and we'll show you actually how to test that one in another video. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we need to make sure that the wires and everything is out of the way there. Okay, we need to disconnect that wire. Now we need to disconnect this one here. Okay, that's the ABS module guys, you can see. So we will need to push that thing down. Okay guys, so now that wire you need to pull straight up. Okay, you need to just start it like that. Be careful. If it's a bad module, don't worry about it too much, but careful not to break the wiring harness. Okay, then you need to lift it up and it will get stuck. You can see those notches need to go all the way down to here. So what we're going to do actually, okay, I figured if you pry it a little bit like that, okay, it's going to come out. And this is the module itself guys. So you can see part number is very important to match if you replace yours. And that'll be the whole procedure. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. And so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.